It's early spring, the kind of morning where the light feels soft and the shop is still waking up. The sun came up quietly today, almost too quietly. And the day felt different from the moment it started. This is the first day without Tilly, our downtown dog. She passed away unexpectedly, and the shop doesn't sound the same without her footsteps. She was always here, walking around, checking what we were doing, greeting everyone who came in. It's strange how quickly you notice the silence when someone like that is gone. And as if the day wasn't heavy enough, the nesting duck in our flower box disappeared too. Just feathers, empty eggs, and a quiet mess left behind. Probably a fox. We've seen one around the shop before. Nature can be beautiful, but also brutally honest. Still, the day moves on. It always does. Work continues, even when your mind is somewhere else. So we got the forklift, set up the ramp, and brought a Harley down from the first floor. A simple job, something we've done many times. But today it felt slower, more reflective, like every movement carried a bit more weight.
No?
And later, as I pushed the bikes back inside, I realized how much these small routines shape our days. How the shop has its own rhythm, through winter, spring, summer, and fall. And how Tilly was always part of that rhythm. This is the first video where she's not walking around in the background. No curious look, no tail, no presence. We'll miss her, but she'll always be part of this place, part of the shop, part of our seasons.